Hello everyone, this is another video for second grade. Today we're going to do some reading. We're going to discuss the text that we have read, and also we're going to show some pictures that the students sent with their product, germinated seeds. So let's start. Please students, you should be reading this, so I am going to take the lead, but you're going to read as well. Lean junto conmigo. Please read with me. What do plants need to grow? By Hilda Corwin. This is the author, Hilda Corwin. Now, you will need what you're going to need. 4 bean seeds, 4 small flower pots, 4 small flower pots, a small bag of soil, a small bag of soil, a field watering can, a field watering can, water, a small plastic shovel, small plastic shovel, 4 stickers, 4 stickers, a black marker pen, a black marker pen, some pebbles, and finally a box to put one pot in. A box to put one pot in. So this is the material that we are going to use. So what do you do first? What do you do first? Well, first take out the 4 pots, the bag of soil, the pebbles, and the plastic shovel. So here you have all the materials, the 4 pots, the plastic shovel, some pebbles, and soil. What do you do next? What do you do next? Well, you add pebbles to 1 pot, add soil to 3 pots. So here you have soil in 1, 2, 3 pots, and pebbles just in 1. Pebbles in 1 pot and soil in 3 of them. What do you do after that? What do you do after that? Well, then put a bean seed in each pot. Push the seeds 1 centimeter under the soil or under the pebbles. Here we can see how this person is putting the seeds under the soil, 1 centimeter below. Here we have the pebbles. They should put the seed here. What do you do next? What do you do next? Next, label the pots using the stickers and the marker pen. Label, this is a label, something that you stick here. Label the pots and write using the marker. Here you have 4 pots, but number 1 says water, light, and soil. Number 2 says water and light. Number 3, light and soil. Number 4, water and soil. Please consider what they have. This one has water. We can read it here. Light and soil. One of the biggest mistakes here is to think that soil means sun. Sol. Uno de los errores grandes que se cometen es creer que la palabra soil significa sol. No, it means this. This is what you have here. This is soil. So this one has water, light, and soil. The 3 factors. This second one here has water and has light. Water and light. But it doesn't have something else, okay? Only water and light. The third one here says light and soil. Only has pebbles here. Has no water. And finally this one has water and soil, but no light. Luz, light. This doesn't have that. What do you do now? ¿Qué haces ahora? What do you do now? Well, you put pots 1, 2, and 3 next to the light. Light, light, luz. So you have them next to the light. Okay. And after that, what do you do? Well, put the pot number 4 in a dark place. That's the reason we have the box, because we're going to put this little pot inside the box. Inside here. Remember that this one only has water and soil. So number 4 has water and soil. Water and soil. That's what it has. So what do you do last? What do you do last? What do you do last? Well, finally, you water pots 1, 2, and 4. 4. 1, 2, and 4. Every day. Do not water number 3. It only has light and soil. That's the end of the practical part of the experiment. Please read this for me. Read it. Léalo. Make notes about what you observe. You need to have something to write on. And you have 4 experiments. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. And you're going to make a table like this. And you're going to write what happens. Day 1. Pot 1, nothing happened. Pot 2, nothing. Pot 3, nothing. Pot 4, nothing. And so on until you see something. What do you see? After 5 days, take out all the pots and compare. Put the pot with the plant to one side. Pot number 1 had the 3 factors: water, light, and soil. So what do we see? We see that the seed germinated and we have now a plant. Number 2 had water and light. Number 3, light and soil, but no water. Finally, number 4 had water and soil, but no light. So what do you see? What do you see? Well, we can see that only one of the pots had a growing plant. The one that had the 3 factors: water, light, and soil. You needed 3 of them to do that. What we do next? Well, you can do this. Leave the plant to grow stronger, then plant it outside and watch it grow until it flowers. Here we see the little plant. Look, that's nice. So think and answer. What do plants need to grow? What do plants need to grow? Record experiment results. Well, that was great. This is what we should have done if we had the time in school. But sadly, with this problem with the virus spreading, we had to go home, so we could not do that back then. But this is a good reading, so we can take notes and discuss the experiment. So, in our case, what we did, it was just plant the seeds, okay? And you did that at home. This is one of the examples that we have. This is Donnie Santiago. This is what we have here. Look, this is Bastian's. Here we have the first day, the second day, what happened, the third day, the fourth. Here, look, we have a sprout of the seeds. We did that with cotton and water and the seeds. And here we have the growth. Good job. Thank you very much, Bastian. Hey, the six is almost growing to the sky. But we also need to remember that we are doing or making questions. Please, take a look on this. Okay, these are 5 questions that I want you to order. Please try to order them. You have here an example. The words this, what, and is. The correct order is this one here. What is this? Now copy the 5 questions and order that here. You already have the first 2 words. I'm going to make a pause and then I'm going to give you the answers, okay? So hey, sorry for that. Actually, that's me and my mom. That's my mother. Hey. But what I want you to do is to take a pause and then solve the exercise. Here we go. You already have 2 words, what and do. So you need to order the last 2 words. And the answer is, what do you need? Let's do the next one. Please take a look. You already have what here, what, and one of the do's. You should not write that. As a matter of fact, because we already have that here, we also can cross the others here. Let's cross them all. We're going to cross all the words that we already have here. What and do. So we only have to write the last few words. In the second one, what could be? We have you, do, and first. So we write, what do you do first? What do you do first? There we go. Let's continue doing the rest of them. What do you do next? What do you do last? What do you see? So, we need to understand what these questions means. ¿Qué necesitas? ¿Qué haces primero? ¿Qué haces a continuación? ¿Qué haces al final? Last. This word is important. Last. What do you see? ¿Qué ves? Espero que estas preguntas les ayuden. I hope that these questions help you to understand how you're going to order. Que les ayuden a entender cómo se acomodan las preguntas. Siempre va la palabra pregunta primero, un auxiliar, después el sujeto y al final la última palabra es un complemento o un verbo, dependiendo de cuántas palabras se tengan. En este caso el verbo es do y el complemento es first. Muy bien, nos vemos en la siguiente ocasión. Vamos a hacer otro video sobre el contenido de los libros. Hasta luego. Bye.